Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric, and to a lot of you that kept up with my videos, you guys have asked me about the propeller and what are the benefits of it, you know, getting into playing and all that. So I purchased a separate propeller, this one in specific, that came with the Tohatsu 6 horsepower. The original one, the pitch itself is 7.8 by 8. The one that I purchased is a 7.8 by 7. Now what this does, although you'll be sacrificing some top end speed, it'll allow you to get into playing with heavy loads, like when you have people with you and gear. Now by myself, when I was riding with this propeller, I was going 70 miles per hour, but it was just me. But when I brought somebody into the boat, the motor dragged. The most I could get maybe was half throttle. That was the maximum I could get. Instead of the full power, now with the propeller, I'm able to get the full power. Although I'm sacrificing the maximum speed, you get the full power. But anyway, without any further ado, let's get right into the water and get to it. Okay, so now is the nitty gritty. I just did it and I got super excited. I got into playing with somebody in it. And yeah, this is the first time doing it. And I knew I was doing the right thing. But anyway, let's get right to it. The engine revs, it picks up quick. Pick up speed. If you have trouble getting into plane, here we go. Oh my God, we're getting into plane like a matter of seconds. I love this. I couldn't do that before. And I got somebody with me. How much you weigh, David? Like 180?
222.
222. 230. That's almost 500 pounds. We're getting into plane. Look at the splash of the water. Yeah! I'm planing with somebody on my boat, and it's only at 6 horsepower. Look how we're moving. There's 2 people in this boat. That propeller did the trick. Yeah. Bumpy, obviously, but hey, it doesn't kill the fun factor. Well everybody, I want to thank you so much for watching. I gotta say, this has been a success. I can now get into playing with this inflatable boat. Again, this is the Saturn SD380. This is a 6 horsepower Tohatsu, same as a Mariner, Nissan, Outboards, and many other brands. Gosh, I'm so satisfied to know that I can take people with me on my trips without having to worry about not getting into planes. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.